Hello everyone, my name is Afa. I'm your biohacker. Why biohacking? I'm digging into the wellness and longevity. I'm finding very interesting new trends, new hypes, and experiencing by myself, trying all this stuff. And I would like to share my feedback. I'm not selling anything, I'm not promoting any product, but I'm just sharing with you guys with my personal experience and with my journey. But today I'm gonna talk about meditation. I know you're hearing this word every day, every different guru or at the Pilates class or the yoga class, you're hearing the word of meditation. But what is meditation? How to achieve this moment to be now and here? That's the problem. That's the ABC. You can read guided meditation, you can listen guided. I'm doing all of this, but for me also was very hard to achieve this now and here moment. So I dig into deep onto that, and I took the meditation classes, coaching actually. Now I'm certified for breath meditation. So the key in the breathing. So as soon as we will learn how to breathe properly, we will achieve our alpha condition. Alpha mind, it's helping you to manifest, helping you to clear your mind, helping you to see and visualize everything whatever you want to see in your life. So look at the kids around of you, look at the animals around of you if you have pets at home. Look how they are breathing, because we are modern human breathing like not with full our body, just it's short and it's kind of nervous breathing. So as soon as we will learn how to breathe properly, I'm gonna show you in a second how to do it, and just start counting your breathing and try to do it in a proper way. Put the timer for 1 minute. Let's start with 1 minute. After you will add like 30 more seconds, 1 more minute. Now I'm doing like 3 minutes, 4 minutes sometimes I'm not even feeling how this 4 minutes pass. So put the timer for 1 minute and start breathing and counting your breathing. Maybe you will do 4, maybe 5, but do it slowly, and you will see how your mind is calming, because you're getting to the alpha condition, alpha mind. So, and when you will hear your timer, you can stick there your any email. I don't know, maybe you want some sport car, maybe you want to go to travel. Just stick this image, like prepare this image before meditation in your mind. As soon as you will finish your meditation, you hear the timer, and stick this picture in your mind and see how the magic will start. So let me show how to properly. Your shoulders shouldn't move. You need to breath not by getting higher. You need to expand your like that. Your shoulders not moving. Keep attention here and feel your stomach, all your breath with the air like that. And just start counting your breathing. It's one of the ways. And just do that. That will help you to be now and here in present moment. It seems simple, but it is not. Doing this in even minute in a day will change everything. You will increase and you can be grounded, because for us women, being grounded is important, because we're getting our energy from the earth. That's why we say Mother Earth, right? The man getting their energy from cosmic, like different. But we women, first of all, we need to be grounded. We shouldn't run. We should start. I'm so fast person, like I'm doing everything fast, eating fast, talking fast. That's a problem actually. I need to slow down and speak slowly and eat slowly, walk slowly. That's it for today. I think it's enough. I'm gonna share different tips about the wellness, but this ABC, let's start with ABC. So being now and here, that ABC of everything. Exercising, nutrition, meditation, any Asian put there. So let's start with ABC. Thank you for your attention.